Your rear corner moldings can look scratched, pitted, and even the chrome dulling over time. If you're in need of replacing a portion of your moldings, we've got exactly what you need. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 67 El Camino bed corner moldings. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Sold as a pair, our moldings are identical to the originals. You can also find these in our complete bed molding kit if you're looking to replace everything. Call one of our helpful sales reps or visit our website for more information. Each molding is manufactured from die-cast zinc using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. At the end of the production line, every molding is triple chrome plated for a brilliant finish. In addition, we include the correctly located mounting pins for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.